ambiri mwa ife mwina timangomva kuti zisankho za ku Malawi zosankha president tidzivota 50+1. Kodi 50+1 imatanthauza kuti chani? Kuti munthu akhauti wina chisankho ndi 50+1 zimene kuti ziyende bwanji? Ndiye pano pa Nyasa Voice Box pamene nkhazi makhaza ndale kuyendetsa bwino kwa dziko komanso kutsatira bwino malamulo kuno kwathu Malawi, tafuna tikupatsireni mawu a bambo Sangwani Mwafulirwa amene wandithu ndi mkulu ona zofatsa nkhani ku bungwe loyendetsa zisankho kuno ku Malawi la Malawi Electoral Commission MEC, amene akufotokoza kuti tikamati 50+1 timatanthauza kuti chani pano pa Nyasa Voice Box.
Now, the issue of 50% plus 1, it's not looking at the population of eligible voters or the estimated people who could have registered.
It's
no.
50 plus 1 of the 7.2 million, right?
No.
Are you so?
Yeah, 50 plus 1 is like this. Let me use a simple arithmetic. First, it is 50%, which is half, plus 1.
Okay.
That 1 is one valid vote.
Not percent.
That it is not a percent.
Okay.
And that 50% is 50% of valid votes.
Okay.
So you might have 1 million registered voters. Come the polling day, you have, okay, let me say this simple arithmetic. You might have 1.2 million registered voters. Come the polling day, you have 1 million people showing up to vote. So you have got total registered voters 1.2 million. But the total votes cast is 1 million. 200 have not showed up. But then within the 1 million, you must still have a fraction, maybe 100,000, which are void. Yeah, void votes or non-void, if you want it for people to understand. It means you are remaining with 900,000 valid votes. These are votes which are the sum of all the votes each and every candidate has gotten. So if you have got 4 candidates that we are contesting, the candidate who's going to win should get 50% plus 1 vote of the
900,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
So should get more votes than all these candidates. So in this example, our 50% plus 1 valid vote would be 450,000 and 1 vote.
Okay.
If you hit 450,000, you have failed the benchmark.